Welcome to the unseen universe! Today we have a rockin' episode. Today we're doing a gem called quartz. This is a nice translucent type of gem that we're gonna look at. It's very common, but it's also very interesting. I have a sample down here. What's this in my pocket? I think I have more. Check this out, guys. Look at that nice piece of quartz. You can hold that one. And here's another one just for you. Wow, look at that. That's called quartz. Can we say quartz? Quartz, yeah, that's quartz. It's the second most common mineral on this planet. The miners dig deep into the earth and they find it in caves or just mines that they explore. Mm-hmm.
Or underground.
Underground, that's right. That's where they find it.
It's a boat.
A boat? It's not a boat, silly bitch.
It's a boat.
Yeah, here you go, baby. There's your quartz. So that's quartz, guys. Let's start at the 5x and check out what this one looks like. Whoa, there it is.
It reminds me of the Grand Canyon.
It kind of does look like it. That's a good observation. Whoa, it's really pretty, I must say myself. There's different shades and colors in quartz. So guys, quartz comes in different colors. It can be red, it can be gray, green.
It can be blue.
It can be blue, and it really depends on the trace amount of minerals that have seeped into it.
Look how shiny it is.
It's very shiny. This one I see some red, so I think some iron has seeped into this one and sort of mixed it. It reminds you of the Grand Canyon? Yeah, that's very interesting.
It really reminds me of the Grand Canyon.
And when the light shines on it, it's really beautiful to look at. Yeah, it's really beautiful to look at. Okay, let's get a little bit closer because I think this one's going to be very fascinating to look at.
I see green right there.
Uh-huh.
I see green.
Let's check that out. Let's look at that green even closer. Let's go to 10x. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, that's the 10x. Hey. This critter fell down. So there's 10x. Now we can see more of the fine detail in this gem. Wow, it's really pretty.
I fell down.
Oh my gosh, these guys are so silly. So quartz is known as vitreous, which means it has a glassy luster. Yeah, let's stand up and show everyone your quartz gem. Where did your gem go? You have two of them? Oh my gosh, we lost the quartz gem. It's on the floor. We'll pick it up. So so it's known as vitreous because it actually does look very glassy. You can almost see right through it, just like glass. Let's go to the 20x so we can see more of this special quartz. Here's 20, 3, 2, 1. Chita, what do you think about that?
I love it. Still looks like the Grand Canyon.
It still looks like the Grand Canyon. Yeah, it's got little crevices, nooks and crannies. This guy's always obsessed with gloves. Yeesh. The quartz, please, the quartz, guys. I actually really like this quartz. I think it's really beautiful to look at. It's so shiny. It's a nice rock. You know what also rocks? That subscribe and like button. Why don't you guys go ahead and smash it? That's right. So there's the 20 guy. What did you guys think of quartz?
Good.
It was good? Just good? I think it's more than good. I think it's really exciting. There you are, everyone. We hope you enjoyed exploring the quartz gem. Not quite. Join us next time as we continue to explore the unseen universe.